Hey everyone, how are you doing? Happy Monday, or whatever day you're watching this, but it's Monday today. So I just finished the Facebook Live for, I thought I would start doing them for my dailies, not like every day, but a couple times a week. Thought it might be fun to show you guys how I do that. I'm about to film my plan with me. Yes, this is new planner. I'll explain it in that video, which will be up by the time this is up. But this was gifted to me, and I'm really not loving my rings. I really gave it a hearty try. I wish I loved rings, but I just don't love, I like the idea of them. I'll go into it in the video, but yeah. Today also starts the start of the Planner Boss Academy, and the lessons will be released at 8:30 Pacific, so I'm super excited for that, to get that going and get my shop growing. So yeah, I'm gonna go film. So I'm now on a pigtails. I have, oh gosh, I thought I had missed a whole bunch. But I have a tendency to wear my hair up just in a bun just to get it out of the way when I'm working and stuff, just because. But I've noticed my hair, the follicles are starting to hurt. This is totally not shop related. But anyways, so I thought I would do some pigtails, and this giant guy decided to show up out of nowhere. Daisy is enjoying the window right now. This morning I went and got groceries. I filmed and edited my video, got it up. It's already been posted and gone live. I've been working on my Planner Boss Academy. The first module is been released, and I've been going through the first lessons. I'm about halfway through, and then there's worksheets and stuff that go with them, and so it's kind of fun going through them. I just bought the basically the backgrounds and stuff for the Christmas kits. Some of them will be coming out this Friday, and some will be coming out in a couple weeks. So yeah, I'm really excited. And then yeah, like I said, did I say it? If I did, I will edit this out. But my shop's anniversary is next Tuesday, so I'm getting ready for all that kind of stuff. And so there's gonna be a big sale, and I am releasing a special kit like I usually do, and I'm also releasing the first two kits that I ever released as mini kits, and I'm really excited because I think it's kind of cool. But they're gonna be freebies, so to get them you have to get a certain tier. But I think it's really fun, really fun. And what do you call it? Yeah, like I said, I think it's fun. I have that, and then I'm bringing back some kits, some of the old butterfly kits that were ones. I'm gonna have them as sets and all that kind of stuff. So I think it's really gonna be cool, and I think I might do a giveaway. I don't know. So anyways, I've just been working on shop stuff. Had lunch. I need to go to Walmart because we forgot some stuff. Not food, but I don't have a trash can in my bedroom, and I kind of need one. It's really annoying to have to go all the way to the bathroom, all the way. It's not that far to the bathroom to throw something out, but there's that. And then I have to do house stuff like laundry and put away clothes, and I need to clean my desk and all that kind of stuff. So not a whole lot. I'm doing a lot, but not a whole lot I can really show you. So yeah. Good morning. Today I'm getting some work done. I have new releases to go up tomorrow, so I actually have to finish the designs on them. They're all up here. I know what they're gonna look like. I design everything up in my head pretty much, and then make it happen. And it's not a major. Anyways, I'm rambling. I have my list done. It's very small just because they're big things, but I decorated it and showed it on Instagram. I think it looked cute. It's simple, and I just use a regular kit from Sweet Quiet Design. Yesterday I didn't get any work done in the shop, which is kind of making today a little more stressful, but that's okay. I got a lot of really good house stuff done, We cleared out the storage unit, so that's money that we don't have to spend every month anymore. Because it had like our motorcycles and toolboxes, and those need to be here. So we did that, and then Miss Daisy, here she is, had a vet appointment. She's fine. She just had to get her rabies and her last round of kitten vaccines. And then I wasn't sure if she might have worms. They checked and they said she didn't test positive for it, but they still gave her some more medicine just in case. And then I had flea medicine put on her so that she can, on a leash, go outside with me, like when I have my morning coffee, or just to explore a little bit. But she will be on a leash because we don't have a fence around our yard, and we have a pond in the backyard, and I don't want her like slipping and falling and that kind of stuff. So anyways, she will not be out there unless she is supervised, for anyone wondering. But yeah, so I've got, okay, so here is the kit, the full boxes, and then like the bottom washi and stuff. It's tilted sideways so that I can do the full boxes. I decided to put some like, put these shaded boxes over the full boxes that don't have anything, so you could like write on them. I think it's cute. And then we have Patigro and Cat just kind of doing their Christmas stuff. And so now that I have this done, I will go and do all of the regular kit pages and the mini kit and extras. And then I will do the dailies and the functional set. So I have like a pattern of how I start. I always start with the full boxes because those are the ones that figure everything out, and then from there I pull out colors to do these and so forth. And then I will edit all the pictures and get them listed. So yeah, I think it's really cute, and by the time this goes up, it is available in the shop. So if you want it, go ahead and go grab it. It's called Christmas Tigro. So I am feeling a little frustrated today. I'm trying to do pictures and they're not working out right. Like, I'm doing it the way I've always done it, and it's been fine. And it's just not working right, and it's making me really annoyed. So I've had to like redo them 3 times, and then I tell it to like open the app or open a file, like all the files for all the things, and it doesn't open all of them. So then I think that I've done all the pictures and I haven't. So it's a little annoying. Okay, so now I'm trying to get super ahead because we just found out a friend is coming into town next week, which is awesome, and I'm so excited for it. But that means I have to make sure I get my house ready. We need to paint an entire room, and anyways, we need to paint the whole room and do some other stuff. So tomorrow I'm not going to be able to do any work probably until late at night, and I'm probably going to be really tired. So I'm trying to get everything done that I have to get done for the next 2 days. So I'm working hard. I've got my to-do list. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm going to do a couple more things, and then I'm going to call it a night. I got everything ready for the new releases. That's up. All my posts are ready and scheduled. And then I'm just working on some stuff for the anniversary kits. So I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so that's what's going on. And that's why I look a mess, because I just took a shower and working in my PJs. Well, it's Saturday, and I didn't get the video up yesterday because we were working on the house still. We're almost ready to paint, so I'm very excited about that. Thoughts, you want to follow what's going on with the house, go to my other channel, Life Melissa Style. I will be doing a new update there very soon there. But yeah, there's like 10 videos about our whole like renovation process and moving and all that kind of stuff if you're interested. So link is in the description. But I just wanted to formally come on here and say hi, goodbye, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and let you know that, yeah, that I appreciate you watching, and I will see you guys next week, really in a few seconds.